Professor. My name is Sun Xiaoli. I'm honored to be the first one to introduce our group project, International Business, to you. First of all, I would like to introduce my team. Our team is a very united team. I love this team very much. Our captain is Qin Xiaolong, and our panelists have Sun Xiaoli, Xiong Heyan, Zhang Heng, and Zheng Haiying. There are 5 parts to what we are going to introduce. The first part is introduction. GMC, as the leader of light commercial vehicles in China, has always taken the development of overseas markets as the focus of its development strategy, and is also one of the earliest self-owned car enterprises to enter the international market. However, the current global economic decline has brought about the car market depression. The competitiveness of Chinese automobile enterprises is insufficient. And how to go on the internationalization of Chinese automobile is a difficult problem that needs to be considered. Therefore, guided by the relevant strategic theories of the international market, we will analyze the development of prospects and problems of GMC in the Iranian market and provides appropriate strategic suggestions based on the comprehensive environmental analysis of the Iranian region. The next is Qin Xiaolong.
Hello, my name is Qin Xiaolong. About background, company introduction. JMC is the leader in China's light commercial vehicle industry. In 2019, JMC was selected as one of China's top 500 manufacturing in enterprise ranking, number 82, and was also selected as one of China's top 500 enterprises ranking, 427. Advantage of company and products. Jiangling Group has a strong independent research, development, and manufacturing capacity. It has industry-leading scientific researching strength and talent team. The main selling point of a product is the outstanding product cost of performance of JMC with its advantages of stable quality, perfect configuration, and good fuel consumption. Introduction to selected foreign markets. Basic information about Iran. Iran is geographically located with Afghanistan, Pakistan, Iraq, Turkey, and so on. 6 countries bordering nearest neighbors. External environment analysis. Overview of Iranian politics. There is a revolution in 1978. Demonstration against the Shahan instigated across Iran with overcarrying pictures of religious leaders and chanting overthrew the Shahan and establish an Islamic state. Iran's economic environment. Iran is the 7th largest economy in Asia. Iran's GDP reached 419.1 billion in 2011. The national economy is concentrated in the oil industry. While areas in chemical, steels, and automobile industry are relatedly natural. Great process has also been made in the manufacture of machinery. Iran is the world's fourth largest oil producer and the world's leading oil exporter. Iran's oil export accounts for more than half of its foreign exchange earnings. Social, culture, environment in Iran. One of the most famous ancient civilization, Iran has Persian culture, ancient precise have made in more true civilization and contributions in machine, mathematics, music, uh, physical history, arts, and crafts, which are valuable culture Persian have brought to the world.
My name is Xiong Heyan, and I continue to report on technological environment in Iran. Technological environment in Iran. In order to protect the domestic industry, Iran has different emission requirements for domestic and imported cars. Diesel and petrol energy manufactured in Iran comply with Euro 3 and Euro 4 standards respectively, but all energy of imported cars, both completely and spare parts, must completely with Euro 5 standards. We can see this picture. It shows us the localization rate of Iran automobile and corresponding traffics. And this picture shows the SWOT analyzed table for JMC to expand the Iran market. We can see the internal shows the political uncertainty in economy recession, increased risk of foreign exchange collection, and increased trade barriers. And the internal strength shows the rich experience in automobile manufacturing, producting quality advantage, sales network advantages, and service advantages. And the opportunities shows the strong market demand and the good China-Iran relations. The weakness show the raw awareness of brand imaging, disadvantage of export mode, less product investment, and high product price. The next is 郑海印.
5.0 Suggestions on International Marketing Strategy. 5.1 JMC Overseas Market Product Strategy. Before entering the market of any country or region, JMC must collect information about certification requirements in advance, organize unified certification tests in a planned way, and actively obtain certification of various countries. At the same time, targeted overseas product development launch. In the development of new products, we should not only develop the left wheel car, but also develop the corresponding right wheel car to supply the right wheel car market and improve some products according to the demand of the larger overseas market. 5.2 Pricing strategy of JMC in overseas market. 1. Pickup price positioning. It is suggested to be about 20% lower than Japanese brands, but about 5% higher than China's main export brand of pickup trucks, the Great Wall, and maintain a large price gap with other Chinese pickup brands. 2. Price positioning of light truck. It is suggested that the price is about 15 to 20% lower than that of Japanese brands, and the price is about the same as that of similar Korean products, and the price gap will with other Chinese light truck brands is larger. 3. Price positioning of the card. JMC Media Card is developed on the basis of wide body light truck and inherits the good quality of light truck. Due to the high price of the Japanese brand of this model, it is suggested that the price can be about 20 to 30% lower than that of the Japanese brand, while maintaining a price difference of about 5% with similar Korean products and a large price gap with other Chinese light truck brands, so as to establish a high-end image of the Chinese brand. Next, let's invite Zhang Hen to introduce.
Next part is JMC Overseas Market Channel Strategy. 1. Selection of channel expansion method. Combining the channel development experience of light truck and pickup truck from leading manufacturers at home and abroad. Zhang Li has chosen the following 4 types of channel development method. Mode 1. General dealer mode. That is, only one customer in each market is selected as the general dealer, who develops distributor, provides after-sale service and parts supply. Mode 2. Multiple dealers mode, including division according to product line and division according to the region of 2 forms. That is, 2 or more customers in one market are selected as distributor, and each distributor distributes different product types of or distributes similar products in different regions. And GMC advertising strategy in overseas market. The main points of the advertising strategy are as follows. 1. Cooperate with powerful overseas media agents to increase the proportion of direct advertising. 2. Distribute product information and investment information to Chinese economic and commercial office in various countries. 3. Maintain cooperative relations with the United Nations, the World Bank, China's Foreign Aid Organization, and other international organizations. 4. Carry out flexible and diverse forms of advertising and marketing, including new product release, participation in important exhibitions, outdoor advertising, newspaper, magazine, TV, internet keyword index advertising, and etc. 5. Hold new product launches in major markets. And the core of the marketing strategy. 1. GMC brand core positioning is world-class professional commercial vehicle manufacturer. GMC has 40 years of professional commercial vehicle production experience, focusing on the external market and carrying out strategic cooperation with international enterprises. GMC's main products are professional and practical commercial vehicles, which enable users to gain stable wealth growth with limited investment. GMC is the only car brand with a special emphasis on commercial vehicle development. To extend the core positioning of the brand, establishing a supporting brand communication system, form brand segmentation, stretch customer brand awareness of GMC, and solve the current status of fuzzy brand image of GMC. In conclusion, this report makes a brief comment on the theory of international marketing strategy and introduces the current marketing situation of GMC in Iran market. On the basis of analyzing microenvironment of Iran market with PESTEL tool, SWOT analysis method is used to deeply analyze the advantages, disadvantages, opportunities, and threats of GMC in overseas market competition. According to 4P theory, this paper analyzes GMC's entry into Iran market and gives some suggestions.